Hello everyone, this is my son showcasing how to use the spring-loaded kick-down doorstop. It is a convenience item that I wished to install many years ago, and today I'm going to show you how I installed it on a wooden door. Let's get started. I can easily find the kick-down doorstop in my local Home Depot or Lowe's. There are two major types, the spring-loaded one and the non-spring-loaded one. The non-spring-loaded one is the simplest of all. You can kick it down, but you also have to lift it back up. The spring-loaded one takes 2 to 3 times to get used to kicking it down, but requires only a quick tap at the top to lift itself up. Both allow some extensions by twisting the bottom piece, and both have the same 3-hose configuration and are interchangeable. The spring-loaded one costs about $5 more, at $13, and after using it for more than a month, the spring-loaded one is definitely worth it. Here is what I need to install it. The doorstop, it comes with 3 screws. Here is the instructions in the back. A Phillips screwdriver, a pencil, a drill, a 3/30 tooth drill bit, some tape, and also a tape measure. Next, when the door is closed, mark the area that will not hit the door frame. This is the area I can install the doorstop. Now open the door. Measure 4 5/8 inch from the ground to the top screw hole, and marking the 3 holes from the doorstop. I do recommend using a tape measure instead of eyeballing it. Drill 3 holes using 3/30 tooth drill bit. I put the tape on the drill bit to estimate the depth of the screw. Now it's time to install it. I use an impact driver to install the 3 screws. Ta-da! This is it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below on your experience and what kind of videos you would like me to do next. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.